Hey there, welcome back to PrimeTime TV, where we uncover the hidden secrets and untold stories. Have you ever wondered about the origin of American banks, how they became the powerhouses they are today, and the consequences of their actions? Are you curious about the dark secrets that have been hidden from the public eye for decades? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be taking you on a journey through the history of American banking and revealing some of their darkest secrets. From the founding of the first American bank to the scandals that have rocked the industry, we'll give you an in-depth look into the inner workings of the banking industry in America. So grab your popcorn and get ready for an eye-opening experience. Welcome to PrimeTime TV, where we bring you the truth about American history. The origins of American banking. Let's start with the origins of American banking. The first bank in America was established in 1791, just a few years after the country gained independence. The first bank of the United States was created to help the government manage its finances and regulate the economy. However, the bank was not without its controversies. Many people saw it as an infringement on states' rights and a tool for the wealthy to control the economy. These concerns eventually led to the bank's charter expiring in 1811. Despite the opposition, the government established the Second Bank of the United States in 1816. This bank faced even more opposition than its predecessor, with many people accusing it of corruption and elitism. The rise of the banking industry. Despite the controversy surrounding the Second Bank of the United States, the banking industry in America continued to grow. In the years that followed, many small, regional banks were established, each with their own unique set of rules and regulations. However, it wasn't until the mid-19th century that the banking industry really took off. The Industrial Revolution brought about a surge in economic growth, which led to an increased demand for credit and financing. As a result, larger banks began to merge and expand, creating the banking giants we know today. The dark secrets of American banking. While the growth of the banking industry has had many positive effects on the economy, it has also led to some dark secrets and controversies. One of the most notable scandals in recent years was the 2008 financial crisis. The crisis was caused by a combination of factors, including risky lending practices and a lack of government regulation. Banks were giving out loans to people who couldn't afford them, and then bundling those loans together to sell as securities. When the housing market crashed, these securities became worthless, leading to the collapse of several major banks and a global economic recession. But the 2008 financial crisis was just the tip of the iceberg. Banks have a long history of engaging in unethical and illegal practices, from discriminatory lending practices to money laundering. In 2016, Wells Fargo was caught opening millions of fake accounts without customers' knowledge or consent. The bank incentivized its employees to open as many accounts as possible, leading to widespread fraud. The scandal resulted in millions of dollars in fines and the resignation of several high-level executives. Similarly, the LIBOR scandal involved several major banks, including Barclays, UBS, and Citigroup, manipulating the LIBOR rate, which is used to set interest rates on trillions of dollars in financial products. The banks artificially lowered the rate to increase their profits, resulting in billions of dollars in losses for investors. The scandal resulted in several banks paying billions of dollars in fines and the imprisonment of several traders. So there you have it, the history of American banking and their dark secrets. From the founding of the first American bank to the scandals that have rocked the industry, we've given you an in-depth look into the inner workings of the banking industry in America. But the question remains, what can we do about it? As consumers, we have the power to hold banks accountable for their actions. We can demand transparency and fair lending practices, and we can choose to do business with banks that align with our values. So the next time you're considering opening a bank account or taking out a loan, do your research. Look into the bank's history, their lending practices, and their reputation. And remember, your money has power. Use it wisely. If you enjoyed this video, Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into American history. And if you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Remember, history has the power to shape our future. By understanding the mistakes and successes of the past, we can make informed decisions about the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.